Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and heading straight to Security. Once there, open two-step verification and confirm your identity with the prompt or a verification code. You need to reach the Backup Codes area. This is the only place Google lists the one-time use codes tied to your account. Make sure you're on a private device, because you will view or generate codes that bypass usual 2FA methods. Now proceed to display or generate your. Once you see the option, Generate Backup Codes, Google gives you a set of 10 8-digit one-time codes. You should immediately save them in at least 2 secure locations, print a paper copy, and add them to a trusted password manager or an encrypted USB. You want one quickly accessible and one offline backup in case of device loss. After saving, mark which codes are used as you go. This preserves access and prevents accidental reuse or lockouts. When you can't get an authentication prompt, use one backup code to sign in. Remember, each code works only once. Once you've used a code, immediately update your saved list. If you lose all codes or suspect compromise, revoke them and generate a fresh set in Security. If sign-in still fails, check your device time sync. Try an alternate recovery option like a registered phone or backup email. And if needed, start Google's account recovery flow to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.